Hi, in this video today I will guide you how to download and install Visual Studio version 2019 on the Windows PC. This is the latest version for now, and you open browser and access to the visualstudio.com.microsoft.com and go to the download. And we have some version of Visual Studio available for you to download here. Okay. And here I go ahead to download the enterprise version. It will be free trial. Okay. And here there are some tips and resources to get started. And now I will fill in the form here. So fill in the data here. Okay, finish button. Click on close button here to finish. Okay, and click on the download file to install the software on the Windows PC. And here I'm using the Windows 10. Okay. It will take some time to download the file from the internet, and after that it will install it on the Windows PC. Of course, depending on the network connection and bandwidth on the of the network, so it will take some time to get the file. Okay, and this is the dashboard page. We have to select the option to install the Visual Studio on the Windows PC here. And basically, I will select some option for the web development, app development, and the Node.js development. Okay. We have web and cloud, window. Okay. And when you select any version, any option to install it on the Windows PC, so it will automatically install the .NET framework compatible with the selected version of the install file. Okay. And of course, you can select on option here to install it on the Windows PC. Here. And here in this video I just select some option which I will be working in the which I will be working for my job. Okay, click on install button here to start installation. Here it need to be getting the file from the internet, and of course once the file is getting from the internet successfully, it will install the package on the Windows PC. Okay. Here. So here you have just finished the installation the Visual Studio 2019 on a Windows PC. So here you have to reboot the server. Restart the Windows PC to apply the change, and you can click on Not Now button to restart it later. Okay, start the Visual Studio. It will take some time for the first running. Here you can skip by providing the Microsoft account later on. Okay. If you are using the Microsoft account here to log in into the Visual Studio account, so it will get the setting from the previous time for the account. Okay. So here the look and feel of the new version, it look better. Okay, so here my color for this Visual Studio has been changed to black theme, because I was using the black theme, black or dark theme previously. Okay, so here I go ahead to create a web project for testing purpose. I will enter the project name and choose the location to save the shortcode. Yeah. Well, I will name it web demo. Select folder. Okay, and here you can select the .NET framework you want to be working on, and click on create button. And here we have some option to create a new project by empty, web form, MVC, web API, or even the single page application. And here I will select the template MVC. Okay, so here the solution of MVC website has been created, and we have some the for the structure. It look like the same previous version, 2017. Okay, we have view folder. Okay, so now here I will try to run the solution in the IDE Express to see if we have any new look and feel for the default MVC project. Okay, and this is the default MVC website template. It looks the same previous version. Okay, cool. And here we have some option in tune, and you can go ahead to do some configuration here. So firstly, we can change the color theme for the IDE tune on the Windows PC. And here I will be using the dark theme because it looks good for me. Here, create new project. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to install the Visual Studio, the latest version is 2019 on the Windows PC. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you later.